Hey dolls, so today's video is going to be a organize my fridge with me. I cannot wait to show you dolls how I put my fridge together and just cleaning my fridge out. So it's going to be an organizing and cleaning video. So I want to clean my fridge out. So grab your coffee, grab your tea dolls, and let's do this organizational video for my fridge. Let's go dolls. Okay dolls, before I show you my fridge, I'm going to do a quick haul video within this video so it can make sense why I have everything in my fridge. And I also want you dolls to be able to go and purchase everything I'm showing you in this video. I'm going to start, where do I start? I have all the stuff laid out already, but I'm going to start with these. These are a must have for your kitchen. They're so gorgeous. I'm about to fill them up and they're glass. I'm going to link these down below. So I love all like containers, and I've been looking for a salt and pepper container that is not plastic and that is pink, and I found it and it's perfect. I love the shape of it. I think this is definitely a must-have, and they are under $10. They're very, very cheap, and they're very gorgeous Barbie pink color in person. So I'll link everything down below that I'm using in this video, but this is definitely a kitchen must-have, especially if you're a girly girl and a pink girl like me. You need these in your kitchen, so definitely have to show you. So the next item is these containers. They claim it's pink, but they're very, very almost like fuchsia purpley color, but in the fridge it looks pink. It's weird, but like sitting here it does not look so pink. It looks very purple like, but I like them. In the fridge it's a pink color. It's weird, I don't know how to explain, but they're these lucite containers. So you look at the color pink and look at that. So in person it's more, you can see it's pink in person, but on camera it's looking purple like. But anyway, they make my fridge look gorgeous, but then we're organized as well. We like an organized doll. So this is going inside my fridge. I use them for drinks and all sorts to store things away, and it reduces space in my fridge. Like it makes my fridge to have a lot of space. I'm about to show you. It comes with so many of them. I don't even know how many there are. I think there's like 6 of them. It also comes with an egg cart as well. I'm going to show you the egg container. This is the egg container. I could not wait to film the video. I've already put my eggs inside. I mean, eggs are expensive now, so we have to store them properly, right? And this is gorgeous. It comes with the other ones I just showed you, and I just love it. I love how it's easy to open, and it's just perfect for my fridge. So here's my eggs. It's egg container, so they're nicely stored in pink. So that comes with the set I just showed you. So the next items you definitely need for your fridge are these. These are these gorgeous pink, and yes, they look pink because they like match my pink pot set. These are so gorgeous, and they are fridge liners. They're like a very plasticky material, rubber material, and it's good because it helps keep your fridge very neat, especially if you have a spillage. You just take it out and wash this instead of washing your fridge too much. It helps you just not have to clean your fridge too much. It's very hygienic. I love the idea of having a liner, and of course it makes my fridge pretty and pink. So this is what I got. My only thing is they don't fill out the whole fridge. I don't know how to do it. I'm going to show you how it looks like right now in my fridge. So as you can see, I wanted it to fill out my fridge. I don't know how to do that, but that's how it looks like, and I can take it out, and like it's easy to peel off and wash it. You just peel it off and just wash it. So I love it. I love how from far like it just looks gorgeous in my fridge. I just love it. And the final item is this. I am obsessed with this little fridge spinner organizer, and it's just so perfect. I spray painted it a lighter pink because it was like a mauvey pink. Well, it wasn't as pink as I wanted it to be. It was like a mauve pink color. I mean, it still is not that bad. Let me show you the real color. That's the real color right there. So it's not that bad really. I'm just extra. I want everything to be like that Barbie pink, like all of this. This is perfect because you don't have to like reach into the back of your fridge to grab things. With this, it just makes fridge organization so fun. You can just spin it, and then you want to grab this, you just grab it and you've got it. That's a must-have. I will link this down below as well. Everything will be in the link to buy. So let's organize, well no, let's do the fridge tour. Time to see how my fridge looks like from the inside. Hey doll, so when you open my fridge, first of all, let's do this side here. I have all my creams and milks on, like, right here where I can grab them, and it's right by my coffee maker, which is over in the corner, which is messy right now because I'm reorganizing and restocking my fridge and kitchen. So anyway, you have the creamers, the creamers here, the milk, and you have, I love these, my whipped cream. So this one's for me. And I just love it. It's pink, it's gorgeous, it's from Target, and I love the packaging. Just look at that. This one is for my dogs. They have puppuccino at home, so whipped cream. So that's that. I love that. Just easily grab, and my coffee maker is right in the corner, so it's right there, ready for me, easily just right there, instead of digging into my actual fridge. In this corner right here, we have just, I don't know if you collect this like me, but I collect when I go to like gas stations and stuff like that and restaurants, I don't know why, but I have this thing where I take these home. Random stuff like from Pizza, Domino's, just like Whataburger spicy ketchup. If you're not in Texas, you would not know about spicy ketchup. That's the next level. So I store, and even Chick-fil-A sauce sometimes, I store certain sauces inside here. So that's what that situation is all about, is my little, I don't know, do you do this? Normally there's a lot of Chick-fil-A sauce in here, like special sauce that you can't buy in the shop. They're inside here. So I have a little restaurant sauce storage in my fridge going on, and I just grab them when I'm eating certain things. So don't judge, this is not organized. This is just my random stuff like butter, whole milk that I used to like make lasagna with like sour cream, mustard sauce. Random pieces are in here. So this is just like a random, and all of them like down to the ground is random. So don't judge, that's just how it is. I don't know what to do with these little shelves here. I just put random creamy stuff inside here. Okay, so what we want to see is my actual inside, the main part of my fridge. So I don't even know what shelf are we going to start on. Which shelf are we going to look at first? So let's start here. Normally I have water bottles in the back, but there's none today because right now I've just been drinking from my actual fridge water. Whenever I have visitors and guests over, I have bottled waters in the back. So here we have our pink Moscato, which I can't open because I'm not a person who drinks anyway. This is just for friends, and I don't have a cork opener. So this just sits here as beauty, but I really want to taste that if it's good. So that just sits there as beauty. I have this Tropicana orange juice. You know, Saturday mornings I love to have some extra breakfast, so that's there for that reason. I have my, oh, the light just turned off. I have my fridge liner, which I showed you dolls at the beginning of this video. So pretty. It makes your fridge look gorge, and it makes your fridge clean. So that's that. And then these drinks over here. So I have my Poppy. I love Poppy. They have different flavors of it, and my I don't really like this drink. This one here leaves an aftertaste. LaCroix or LaCroix. I can't say that. I don't know how they pronounce that. But I love, and this is my favorite. I haven't tried this flavor yet, the lemon one, but this is my favorite drink of Poppy, which is the raspberry rose. I mean, it's just so pretty. You know me, pink girl. And also it helps your gut. Like, I'm literally feel like I'm losing weight from drinking this every single day. So I just had one now. So I have them stocked for the week, and that's like, I just love them. It's my go-to drink. If I have guests over, I will fill this with like Sprites and Cokes and stuff. But because I don't have anyone coming over, it's just going to be Poppy for now, because that's what I'm drinking. So my drinks stay in that like this, so I can easily pull it out, restock easily. I love it. It just keeps everything organized. If not, your fridge is going to get really small if you don't have these kind of containers and like drawers and stuff to organize stuff. So yeah, next level. So on this level, my favorite part, I hope the light will turn on for this, but we have, okay, my egg organizer, which I showed you guys earlier. and I just love it. It keeps eggs organized, especially as I said, right now when eggs are so expensive, you might as well store it like it's gold. So I love that I can just easily grab it, and I love how this fits with my egg organizer. I'm so happy for this purchase. I'm telling you, I have so much fun doing this. Like, it organizes my fridge so well, and it looks so pretty. Like when you stand far from my fridge and you see it, it just looks so pretty, and it organizes all of your, like, it's got my all of your little bits that you grab all the time. Like, you don't want to keep doing this and grabbing things on the back, because many times I've cut my finger or injured myself on this part here because my knuckle gets like stuck, or like I drag it. So this is just more safer as well. You don't want to keep having to go into the ends to get stuff, so this brings it right to the front every time you spin it. So if I want to get my Prego sauces, I just pull it like that, I just bring it to the front like that. So I love it, and it's just gorgeous. Like, look at that, just turn it to wherever you want to go. And I love how it fits with my egg container, so that's there, because when you open my fridge, I want you to see this view. So down here I have my yogurts, and I have Chobani. You see how I can just pull that out easily. So I have my Chobani, and I love these because they're just so good for your guts. They are so good. I love Chobani yogurts. Then on this side I have just cheese. So this is the cheese I have for the week. I'm trying to cut back on cheese, and then I go get Baby Bell. But I love Baby Bell, so I have like at least 2 a day. I need my cheese, so that's that. So we have our dairy, our cheese, and our yogurts on this, like, next to each other, and I eat both every day, so it's easy for me to grab. I can't live without both. So next drawer is a bit messy, but we have just like, because I do fruit water every day, so I cut my fruits into pieces. I've got my cucumbers, my lemons that are going to be cut, my mint, and then I have these cucumbers as well in the back. So that's just separate from everything else. That is like my little infused water drawer underneath everything, just tucked away. I have some fruit in this drawer, so I have some more fruit, like grapes, because I eat grapes every single day. I feel grapes is great for digestion. And then I have just some stew that my mum made me for rice. So my mum cooked me something and kept me in that container. In here is just miscellaneous stuff, so it's like chicken. I have some chicken in there right now. Like, all my meals go inside here, especially my meals that don't, because my mum made this, like, some dog food for my dogs, and then this is just some meal for me. And then I have, so all the ugly containers go hidden inside there. All the non-aesthetically pink pretty containers are hidden in there, and this one is actually empty. I have to put some food in here right now. I have some stew that I need to throw this out actually, but this is going to go in that bottom drawer, and this is my pretty pink containers. Some, what's this called again, chickpeas, and that's going inside that drawer as well. So this is just miscellaneous food. Or, like, I don't eat much. So that's all my food inside there. And yeah, that's my short fridge tour. Just wanted to show you how I organize my fridge and how, like, pretty my fridge is, because a lot of you have been asking, show us your fridge, show us your fridge, and here's my fridge. It was a short video, but I really wanted to take you on a tour, and now you see my fridge, I guess we can start doing organized fridge with me, clean my fridge with me, restock my pantry, restock my fridge. I want to do more videos like that because I feel like you dolls love stuff like that. So here it is. I'm going to show you one more last time, and we'll end this video. if you liked my organizational video of my fridge, give this a video a big fat thumbs up. If you want to see more cleaning videos and how I do that stuff with my fridge, if you want more cleaning videos on this channel, let me know in the comment section down below. I absolutely love fridge organizational videos, and you know, just any organizational videos. I love filming them, I love watching them, so I definitely want to do more on my channel. So yes, on that note, thank you so much for watching, dolls. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Smooches. Bye, dolls.